Miraculous ladybug. I don't know.
Attack, bitch! Jesus!
Pew 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 pew. Meteor, meteor, meteor. Wow, these meteors are really beautiful. Maybe I should grab on my makeup kit. Yay! Can you shut up? How much? I've got sorts of FBI items. Like, what FBI items? Oh, I've FBI items for this type, and this type. So then I can defeat these stupid what? Bing! Bing! I didn't even get to finish my sentence, biatch! But anyway, let me beat these up. Hey guys, I got this thing in the mail. Yeah, from the mailman. You biatch. It smells like a piece of poop. Whose poop is this? Whose poop is this? Give me it. Oh, it's an awardee award for having as much socks in your bedroom. They need another name for that.
I don't have that much socks.
Give me that. Okay, so you must have enough socks in your bedroom for the night. And then you will get this stupid awardee award. Yay.
Cool.
Sorry, not you, Jimmy. Okay, anyway. Yeah, basically, if you have at least 2,000 socks and you bring them to the party, then you will win another girl in your an extra girl in your DM. What? I can't have girls in my DMs. Well, why not? Because I'm not a man. See? Look. All the rules say that I am not allowed to be lesbian, and I'm not lesbian at all. See? I'm lesbian. I'm not lesbian. Did you just say you're lesbian? Yeah, she did. But anyways, it's okay. You can do it. You like it, don't you? I might like it, but... No, biatch. No! Okay, you know what? Can you stop calling everyone biatch?
No, I can't. I could just try it, I guess. Maybe? Yeah? No? Yeah, maybe. I don't know.
Are you shy or something, biatch?
Maybe? But my arse smells.
I can't. Can you just shut up about arse smelling?
Yeah, seriously. I have this many socks in my wardrobe.
Oh, really, you do? Oh, seriously? Anyway, why don't you check how many socks you have? Oh, really? Really? Yes, but you have to do these simple tasks first, sweetie. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, first, no eating plants. And second of all, no committing 23 arsons with 16 XRPGs. But why? Because Tails is the only one who does it in this group, so shut up. Stop, Jimmy. Jimmy?
What the frick, man?
That guy smokes too much cigarettes.
Please show me your wardrobe, Sonic.
Fine, but I'm not showing you my pants. Wait, you have pants? Yes, I do. Okay, can we just stop talking about pants and just look at the socks first? But let's do the tasks. Yes, please, please. Here you go. Here's my snail. Why would we need a snail? Okay, so the first you're going to want to do is have some bad manners.
Oh, really?
You smell like my grandmother's urn. And go. Let's go do this fast and easy. Excuse me. He's attacking us. No fighting, please. Now, just take the coffee and burn it on yourself. Six, seven, one, 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 six, seven, one. Why are you saying 6, 7? It's like the worst meme ever. I know, but I don't care. We have to. Let me go! Yeah, she's ready. She's ready to check her socks. Please welcome Liz Dixon. What did you just call me? Shut up. And just walk. Walk! Walk, bitch! Now, do you have something you'd like to say, madam? You smell like an antecedent. Ooh, look at this! We've got the mother load.
Wow, these look like my grandmother's old necklaces.
Oh,
This tastes like 6-7.
what the frick?
Actually, that's for the people that commit arsons in this place. Well, you should talk to my friend Tails. He commits arsons all the time.
That's a funny joke, man. That's a funny joke, man.
But you know what? We didn't ask you. Yeah, we didn't ask you, bro. Oh, I didn't ask you either, bro. So we're even. So, you know, yeah.
Ooh, you smell and feel very nice. Can I use you as a blanket?
No, you may not.
Jesus. Wow, you're blowing it.
What do you mean I'm blowing it? Look at the time. It's time for my mother's graduation. No, it's time to announce who has the most socks in their wardrobe for today. It is. Ooh, what is that? Oh, that's my mother's poop that's my mother's poop before she died. Wow, you guys love wearing it on your heads. Yeah, we do. It's a tradition, you know. This finger tastes really good. Maybe I should eat it. Okay, hey, look! It's murder weapons, so I can murder my best friend. No, those are for eating, you dumb arse. Oh, hello. At least you all are actually using some common sense.
Oh, God.
Shut up! Okay, now, at least you all are using some common sense in this series. Who are you exactly?
I am. Well, you smell very nice, and my name is Sticks British.
Wow, I like that name. See? A lady knows how to sip from a bowl. Are you people stupid? Maybe I should drown myself in this. Okay, the award goes to Leroy the Turtle. Stink bottom. He has the most stinky socks in his wardrobe. That's not fair. It should have been me. It should have been me, actually. That's it. I am going to kill all of you. Guys, Pooper Pants 2.3, 3.0, poop in their faces. Pooper Pants, pooping in your face. Yeah, poop in their faces. I really need to get more TikTok followers, but that's okay. Minions!
Minion banana. No bananas today!
Banana.
Oh, I can't do this.
Yes, you can, woman. Just fight me. Now I could steal all the girls in your DMs.
No, you ain't stealing the girls in their DMs. I need some girls in my DMs, seriously.
What, you don't have girls in your DMs? Well, come here anyway. No, you know what? I don't care if I'm a lady. I will fight for my honor! Yeah! Re? Bang! Jesus!
Wee!
That definitely didn't hurt. Wee! Time to kick your arse! Ah! Oh, don't worry, I saved you, bro. Yay, bro. Ah!
Yee! Oh, you saved me, Pookie. Ugh. I'm gonna beat your
Arse! Give me back my DM girls! Ah!
Yeah!
Do you think this got me more subscribers?
No.
Well, shut up! I'm leaving! Ah! That did not last. Wow, he lost all of his subscribers, but you know what? I am going to take that award from you eventually. Oh, really? How are you going to do that? Ah! Surrender! Ah! Surrender! That was fun tonight.
It's okay. You did a good job tonight, Sticks. Did you get your award?
Yeah, I did. I definitely know I have the most socks. Yay! Yeah, let's go!